Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. Let me know. Put it down in the comments and let me know. So, I just got my first Boxycharm Premium Box. It just came in the mail. Well, no, the FedEx driver just dropped it off. So I zipped around, got myself pulled together so I could get this unboxing out to you guys. Now, I do love getting this subscription, and I do also get 2 of these. That way I can bring you guys a couple of different variations of the box, because by getting 2, I get to choose different items with the different choices that we get. Therefore, it gives me 2 different variations. In addition to that, I do not get any of my Boxycharm or Ipsy for that matter in PR. I do pay for these boxes to be able to share them with you on my channel. So that's another thing. Is I know, a few people have talked about people that get PR or these boxes free for review. Sometimes their boxes seem to be better than others. This gives you a good comparison. Are they better? Sometimes. All the time. I don't know. Let's see. Now, really quickly, before I get to the unboxing, I do want to remind you guys, please not only smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and while you're at it, switch your notifications over to all notifications. I have gotten in several comments and messages and requests regarding getting notified for not just different new subscriptions, but deals and mystery boxes and stuff like that I do on my channel. Now, by hitting all notifications, not only will you get notified when I upload a video, but you'll also get notified when I post on my community tab and when I upload a short. Now, my community tab and my shorts are generally where I'm going to blast information for you guys about mystery boxes, deals, discounts from different brands, big sales, and all of that good stuff. In addition to that, when I do my giveaways, the giveaway winners are posted on my community tab also. So, just trying to not only get you guys a lot of different information about, beauty and skincare and stuff like that, but also give you the best chance on scooping up some of the deals and the mystery boxes and all of that. I search every day, honestly, every day, for these different deals to pass off to you guys. So, but you're not going to hear about it unless your notifications are switched to all notifications. Okay, moving on. Let's open this BB up. Now, I did already crack it open. I try to pull out some things to actually try when I get my boxes now. So that's another thing I've been doing, so that not only do I show you the unboxing, but I can give you like a little idea of my thoughts on it, how it performed, all that good stuff. Okay, now Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month if you don't know, and you now are able to choose 2 items in each month's box. I do really like the change that they just made a couple months ago in offering 2 choices instead of 1. Are you enjoying that too? Do you like that change? Let me know. Okay, the theme this month is flourish. And it's got this gorgeous card. And on the back of the card is a list of all the products in my box. Now, I've got variation 334. That's a big number. 334, okay. And my box weighed 1.8 pounds. Now, if I have that weight information, I will always try to give it to you guys. Sometimes I get it, sometimes I don't, because I don't always get notifications that my packages are arriving. Okay, the first thing I'm going to pull out is this little cute guy here. And for some reason, I kind of feel like, didn't we see this last month in some of the boxes? Either way, they are reusable cotton rounds. You can use them for toner, face washing, all of that good stuff. That's what she looks like. And they come in this cute little bag to make it easier for washing them. Luxe and Willow is the brand that makes these cotton rounds. It comes with 4 different reusable bamboo. Okay, I'm sorry, they're not cotton, they're bamboo. Makeup removal pads. And they retail for $20. Okay. Next, I got this from, Bite Beauty. And it's the Agave Lip Balm. Now, I will say, I do really, really like getting lip balms. I use them and go through them so much. And this is what it looks like. That packaging is really cool. My son uses the lip balms a lot too. So, I mean, one that looks like a lipstick like this, I don't give to him. But there's a lot of the other ones I do pass off. So, I'm actually happy to get that. I know not everybody gets excited over lip balms. I just do. Okay, Bite Beauty Agave Daytime Lip Balm. It retails for $16 for a lip balm. That's pricey. Okay, it's clean, vegan, lanolin-free, moisturizing, and hydrates up to 8 hours. Okay. Next is this. And this is from Larose. I have gotten brushes from this company before. And it is a set of 3 different brushes. There's an angled brush, a highlighter brush, and then a small kabuki brush here. The brushes themselves are super soft. I do know these are pricey, so let's see how much these brushes go for. Larose Beauty On The Go Set. Okay, y'all. This is where some of the pricing in these boxes aggravates me. These retail for flippin' $96 for 3 brushes. I didn't say that out loud. $96. Come on. Really? I mean, it's not like it's like on Beautylicious you can get those like awesome wing Goss brushes, or you can also get, I think Jeannie has talked about, I'm going to get this name wrong, their brushes, I think they're called Chicka Hoodoo or something. They're really high-end brushes, but come on. Anyway, $96. Whatever. Okay, next is by Odysite. This is a B1 and C Black Cumin Facial Serum. Okay, concentrate. This is what she looks like. And it does say down here it's for pimples. And it retails for $36. So, okay. The price isn't bad for a good serum that I'm okay with. Okay. Next is by Too Faced. And this is a newer product. It is the Melted Chocolate Matte Eyeshadow from Too Faced. I've seen some mixed reviews on this. I got the color Cocoa Cream. Now, I did try this. And I was not impressed. I'm sorry. Like I said, I saw, that's a packaging. It's super pretty, but look at this color. Yeah, I've seen a couple people use it and do an eye look with this. It goes on looking like that. So to me, this almost looks like a concealer. But it's supposed to be easy to blend. And it dries down and ends up matte. So I did try it when I did my look today. And I ended up putting shadow over it. And then I went back and tried to put it on again. Yeah, no. This is, so you can it blend it in completely almost with my skin. And it does dry down to almost like a matte powder, which is cool. But maybe it's just the color that's not working for me. I don't know. I mean, it worked okay as like an eyelid primer. But, you know, because I've got really oily eyelids. So mattifying with this as almost like a base, my shadow went on pretty good. So I'll probably honestly just use it as like an eye primer or base. I don't know. Okay, the Too Faced Melted Chocolate Eyeshadow retails for $21. So that's pretty reasonable. It's an innovative 2-in-1 whipped liquid eyeshadow. The formula delivers rich, intense, chocolate scented, and it did smell like chocolate, which was cool, matte color that can be worn alone for an airbrushed finish or as a pigmented primer, which is exactly what I did. I figured that out without even realizing it. Okay, that works. Now, last but not least is from Bloom Effects, and this is the Royal Tulip Nectar. And I was over the moon to get this, give it a try. And let's see. The card says this retails for $65, and that's accurate. That's exactly what it's listed for on the Bloom Effects website. And it's a healing ointment. And it goes ointment to serum, which hydrates, soothes, nourishes, and helps repair the skin's barrier. It's powered by a proprietary Dutch tulip complex and a bouquet of earth-sourced botanicals. You can apply it anywhere that your skin needs extra love. Works also great as a sleep mask. Now, the other thing when I got this and I was looking at it, I did notice on the bottom, it's got a little disclaimer there. And it says, promotional use only. not for resale. Now, we do find stuff like this. Companies, you know, make a batch of products specifically for like Boxycharm or some of these subscription boxes. But the key thing, and I did double check, is, are the ingredients any different than the original real one you can get off of the Bloom Effects website? Because honestly, that iconic London Sunset palette we got last month, the ingredients were different than the ingredients that you can find in the iconic London on the palette on their website and Ulta. I checked both, and the ingredients were different and made in different places. So, just saying, this is not the case. These are all the exact same ingredients and the same product that you can purchase right off of the Bloom Effects website. I am super excited to try this. I've heard really, really good things about it. This is what she looks like inside, and it just spilled everywhere. Oh gosh, it's a really good jelly. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to be able to use this. Oh, I'm going to be so bummed out. Yeah, oh, I'm bummed out. I might not be able to use this. I've got really oily skin, and this is like, it's a little greasy. Oh, that bums me out so much. No. Okay, well, oh well. That's fine. So, that's everything I got in my May 2021 Boxycharm Premium. And I am actually really still super happy with everything I got. The total value for this box is $254. However, I'm only going to give this box credit for maybe $200 because those Larose brushes are way too overpriced. So we're going to knock some off of that. But still, even at $200, it's still a great deal for a $35 box. So I'm just super happy. Super happy. Still, I'll take it. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I want to know. Thank you, as always, for hanging out with me during another one of my videos. I do appreciate y'all so much, and I hope to see you again real soon. Love you bunches. I'll talk to you soon, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.